Okay, y'all, this is the last one for tonight. I'm about to act like that I sneezed on my dad. My son has done this one time before and my dad lost his mind. So I'm finna try to do it. Hold on. Here we go. It's really water. Y'all done already?
No.
Woo!
Damn, all in my damn back.
What?
You pop that damn sneeze in my motherfucking back.
I'm
Damn.
sorry, I got the cold.
Hell, get the hell away from me with all that damn shit. You got a cold? Get the fuck away from me. Shit. I don't need no damn cold.
All I gotta do is just wash your neck.
Shit, Steve,
Woo!
shit right in my damn.
Woo, Lord.
Terry, go on with that bullshit. Hell. See that shit on my fuck this head. Shit.